break that down, no? Kasi obviously, yung oras, it'll free up your time.
Mhm.
Pero ang bawi ba niyan is, kunyari, I have my voice. Do I license my voice? Ganun ba yun? Or,
Doc, nowadays you can, now, first of all, no one can license their voices.
bawal yun?
No
Oh.
one.
Mm.
No one because may kaboses ka eh. Hindi lang naman ikaw ang nag-iisang ganyan boses, di ba?
Mm, mm,
Oh, hindi mo naman sa kahit mukha, may kamukha tayo. How can you license your face if
mm.
may kamukha ka? Ano
Ah,
sabi, tapos kasuhan mo yung kamukha mo? Ganon din yung kaboses mo? No.
ah.
Walang ganon. But what you can do is to duplicate your voice by cloning it so that your voice will be mas magiging sayo. Magiging ownership mo kasi ikaw yun.
Mm.
Parang singer, Doc. Ito yung best example na sinasabi ko lagi. Yan bang mga singer sisikat yan kung hindi no, tumutunog o pinapatugtog sa radyo ang kanilang kanta?
Yeah.
Hindi. Kaya sumikat yan dahil nagiging number one, ha? Nagiging masyadong, kumbaga, nagiging, ano yan, Doc? Nakikilala, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Kumbaga, nagiging familiar. Yan, nagiging familiar yung tunog nung kanta at yung boses nung kumanta. Ngayon, nagkaka-value yung singer dahil kinakanta na ng mga tao yung kanta niya.
Mhm.
Ganon din sa mga voice talent. Dapat, uy, alam ko yung boses na yun ABS-CBN. Oh, Peter Musngi. Mas mahal ngayon yung value ni Peter Musngi. Dahil siya ang boses ng ABS-CBN. Yung
Mm.
mga ganon. Wow. Now, if you want to get him, magkano yan? Mas mahal yan. Kasi boses ng ABS yan eh. So gumawa siya ng SM commercial. San Miguel, mas malaki ang kita niya. Milyon ang usapan. So it gives value to the person even it is AI. Kasi ang AI hindi umaarte. Ang AI walang puso. Ang AI hindi mo madidirect. Not unless ikaw yung gumawa. So nagkaka-value ako bilang voice talent dahil yung boses ko, yung most familiar voice na hinahanap ngayon ng mga tao.
Yeah, pero sige, in the case of Peter, nakilala siya before AI, 'di ba? So, ang mangyayari ba for someone, let's just use him as as an example. Although retired na ba siya? Pero anyway, whatever. So,
Hindi po, siya pa rin ang voice behind
uh,
ABS.
so obviously, if maklone yung voice niya, does that mean may royalties 'yon for every time
Dok,
he uh,
ito
the
ang
voice?
challenge sa
Mhm.
lahat ng mga sikat na voice talent.
Mm.
Anyone can clone your voice, even without your permission.
Right. If you have a
Okay?
video online, 'di ba? You can
Exactly.
rip it out, no?
Okay? So, would you let someone clone your voice and you don't benefit from it rather than cloning your own voice, you benefit from it? Pili ka.
Mm, mm. So pag
Ay,
ganun, siya na mismo ang magko-clone sa sarili niyang voice.
exactly.
Tama. Pero 'di ba, so does that mean kunyari 11 Labs is the platform
Yes.
to clone your voice?
Mm.
And then will people pay for that or kasama na 'yun sa
They
subscription?
no no they have to pay for, yeah, subscription wise that's 1,320 US dollar per month.
Mm,
Per
mm,
month.
mm.
So, who's in the right mind na voice talent na magbabayad ng ganong kalaking halaga na hindi mo pa nababawi? Ngayon, balikan ko. Kung wala kang purpose,
Mm.
imagine how much time can you save kung i-clone mo yung boses mo. Kung wari, 2 hours recording. So you have 5 hours of recording kasi pamali-mali. Plus editing pa yan. Plus mixing pa yan and everything. But in AI, it's just boom. In 5 seconds, you have it. 2 hours of your, ano.
Sige. So this is more about being productive.
Exactly.
Kunyari,
Exactly, Doc.
hihingan ka ng whatever voiceovers
Mm-hmm.
rather than record it
Mm-hmm.
manually, i-render na lang ng AI and you can like
Yes, Doc.
so
And
in the same time na kunyari within 1 hour you can do well, let's say 45
ha-
minutes of VO. Now you can do like 100 hours of VO in the same.
exactly. Thousand of hours as long as you have credits.
Tama, tama, tama.
Yeah, so yun Doc, imagine mo I'm running 20 YouTube channel, international, local.
Mm.
My God, during that time wala pang AI. I have to record everything and alam mo yung 2 hours, 3 hours, pagod na ako. Ayoko na. I'm done. I don't wanna do
Oo,
it
especially
anymore.
with the editing and all that. It's
Grabe, Doc. Pinagdaanan ko lahat yan. And I know the feeling. Now
yeah.
I'm liberated. Now I'm so Thank you, Lord. This is the greatest invention of all time, and this is the best time for a voice talent to live in the entire history of humankind. So this is the greatest invention of all time.
Mhm.
The question is, are you ready
Mm.
to accept it or to adapt on it, or else you're dead?
So when you kasi obviously it's obvious to people like us no who saw it early. Pero hindi naman siya tinatanggap 100% ng let's say more traditional or let's say voice talents themselves. Sabi mo they're
Yeah.
doing it eh.
Yeah.
What's the main issue of resistance? Ano yung
The
point nila?
okay, I think the main issue of resistance is number one, they don't know.
Ignorance basically.
Ignorance.
Okay.
Ignorance is their enemy. Not because they don't like it, but they're afraid of the unknown. They don't know.
Mm.
No? Number one yan. Kahit sino. It's like public speaking. We rather die than to speak in a eulogy, di ba? Parang
Mm.
ganun din naman yan. And every time a new technology came, a lot of people are affected because alam mo yung complacency.
Mm.
Sanay na ako. Hindi ko na kailangan yan. Magaling na ako. Matagal na ako dito. 30 years, 40 years na akong voice talent. Ngayon, the question is, talaga, habang buhay ka bang mabubuhay? Pangalawa, habang buhay ka bang ganyan ang boses mo? Pangatlo, hindi ka ba tatanda? Hindi ka mamamatay? Hindi ka mapapalitan?
So on that note, let's say yun na nga. May someone na medyo matanda na
Mm.
pero clinone niya yung voice niya. Would it be possible for his, I don't know, his or her estate or
Actually,
editors to use his voice?
dalawa yan eh. Dalawa, Doc, ang pwede mong gawin sa AI mo eh.
Mm.
First is to share it in public. Parang yung post mo. May public, may to me only, di ba?
Mm.
To myself. So if you want people to use it and you benefit from it, may sense naman yan every time people use your voice.
Oo.
Pero sobrang liit lang, hindi ka kikita doon. Wag mo nang pangarapin na dahil ginagamit boses mo, yayaman ka dyan o kikita ka. Not unless billions ang credits na gamitin sa boses mo.
Mm.
The only thing that you can use it on your own advantage is to create more content using your
Yes.
voice that you can
So, become
personally.
a content creator is one
Yes.
angle, no? As a
Yes, sir.
voice talent. Oh, okay.
Oo. So more on the content side kasi kung aasahan mo lang na someone will use your voice amongst millions of other voices to choose from, sino ka para gamitin nila?
Mm.
Na mas magaling at pangalawa, kung English lang din, bakit nakikipaglaban ka sa Amerikano? Talo ka na agad. Kahit yung pinakamagaling at pinakasikat na voice talent sa Pilipinas na pagkagaling-galing mag-English, basura ka sa mga Amerikano. Yun lang ang sasabihin ko sa inyo.
Right.
Hindi ka makakapag-compete sa galing nila. English yan eh. Even pangalawa, may British pa. O anong, di ba? May European. Meron ding mga Australian na Inglesero. O saan tayo lulugar doon?
Mm-mm.
Kung English lang din. So, at sino din ang gagamit sa boses mo? Ikaw lang, para may sense of ownership ka. Masabi mong, oh, boses ko yan. Ako di ba? People doesn't care. Ito, Doc, lagi ko sinasabi. People doesn't care kung AI yan o tao yan. Ang mahalaga na iintindihan nila, na i-entertain sila. Like yung mga movie recap, pumunta siya, nakita ang isang tao, ganyan, 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 iisa tono, nakakainis, halatang AI. Bakit hindi naman nagre-react yung nanonood na ang pangit naman ng voice over AI? No, they don't care. They don't care.
They don't mind. They don't
They
mind it.
don't mind as long as they're enjoying it, understanding it. Fine. Ang may issue lang naman yung mga voice talent eh. Paano? Hindi sila kumikita. Yun ang totoo.
Yeah. So,
Oh.
medyo,
Ano,
ano siya, parang paradigm shift siya for a voice talent, no? To go
they have to. Or else, ako nga nagsasabi, oh, AI will replace me. No, AI will never, never, ever replace you. It's the person who knows how to use AI that will definitely replace you. At ako yon. Kung ayaw niyong maniwala,
Yeah.
kinesave ko na nga kayo. Tapos, hated nyo AI, hated nyo ako dahil I promote AI